Hi there, motorcycles and cars enthusiast. Happy to see you on the 3D Motorcycles channel. Like what you see, then share your thoughts, hit the like button, and subscribe to stay up to date with latest exciting releases. Now let's embark on today's ride through the world of custom motorcycle exhausts. When it comes to motorcycles, the exhaust isn't just about performance. It's about identity. The sound, the look, and the story behind an exhaust system can define the entire character of a bike. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 motorcycle custom exhaust manufacturers and their stories, the brands that shaped the culture, the legends who started them, and why their exhausts have become icons. So, let's fire it up. 1. Akrapovic. We start in Slovenia with Akrapovic, a brand that has become a global leader in high-performance exhaust systems. Founded in the early 1990s by Igor Akrapovic, a former motorcycle racer, the company began as a passion project to create race-level parts that offered both power and durability. Their big breakthrough came in professional racing. MotoGP, Superbike, and endurance racing teams started adopting their systems. What set Akrapovic apart was their use of titanium and carbon fiber, materials that were rare at the time but gave unmatched strength and lightness. Today, Akrapovic is a household name in motorcycling, known for precision engineering, distinctive deep sound, and a commitment to innovation. 2. Vance & Hines, from Europe to the United States. Vance & Hines is a legend in American custom exhausts. Founded in 1979 by Terry Vance and Byron Hines, the company originally focused on drag racing. Their pipes were built for performance, tested on the strip, and fine-tuned to give riders a real competitive edge. But soon, Harley-Davidson and cruiser owners started wanting the same performance and sound. That demand transformed Vance & Hines into one of the biggest names in the aftermarket exhaust world. Their products are synonymous with the deep, throaty roar of a custom Harley, while still being trusted by competitive racers. Their story is about merging American culture, racing heritage, and everyday riding. 3. Yoshimura. Now we head to Japan with Yoshimura. Founded by Hideo Pops Yoshimura in 1954, the company is one of the oldest and most respected names in the industry. Pops Yoshimura was a master tuner with a reputation for extracting hidden performance from engines. His move to the United States in the 1970s coincided with the rise of Japanese superbikes, and his exhausts became the go-to choice for Suzuki and Kawasaki riders. Today, Yoshimura is still family-owned and operated, carrying on Pops's philosophy, precision, craftsmanship, and a race-first mentality. Their iconic red logo isn't just a brand, it is a badge of respect in the racing world. 4. Termignoni, Italy. Termignoni was founded by Luigi Termignoni in 1969, and the company quickly became famous for its partnership with Ducati. If you've ever heard the thunder of a Ducati superbike with Termignoni pipes, you know why. Their focus has always been blending performance with style. The Italian way. Termignoni exhausts are not only engineered for power, but designed to complement the sculptural beauty of Italian motorcycles. From MotoGP to World Superbike, their systems have powered champions while becoming an essential upgrade for Ducati owners worldwide. 5. SC Project, also in Italy. SC Project is one of the newer players compared to others on this list, but with an incredible story. Founded in 2005 by Marco De Rossi and Stefano Lavazza, SC Project focused on racing from day one. Their big break came in MotoGP, where they became official suppliers for teams like Honda. Within a few years, they established themselves as a top-tier manufacturer, known for aggressive design and raw performance. Their slogan, "State-of-the-art exhaust technology," says it all. SC Project exhausts embody cutting-edge engineering with bold Italian flair. 6. Rinehart Racing, US. It is a company that defines the sound of American V-twins. Founded by Gerald Rinehart, the brand grew rapidly because of its unmistakable exhaust note, deep, throaty, and powerful. Harley-Davidson and Indian riders swear by Rinehart pipes, not only for the performance gains, but for that signature sound that announces your arrival from blocks away. Their story is one of American craftsmanship and a passion for giving riders something that feels custom, but works with factory precision. 7. Arrow exhausts. Italy has given us another legend, Arrow Special Parts, commonly known as Arrow exhausts. Founded in 1985 by Giorgio Gianelli, Arrow started by producing exhausts for motocross and enduro bikes. The brand's growth exploded in the 1990s when they became closely tied to road racing. Arrow pipes have been behind multiple world championship wins in both off-road and track racing. What defines Arrow is versatility. They build systems for almost every style of bike, from dirt bikes to superbikes, with the same level of passion and engineering excellence. 8. Cobra USA. Cobra USA is a staple of the American cruiser scene. Founded by Jim Narsey in the 1980s, Cobra quickly became known for its combination of style and accessibility. Unlike some racing-focused brands, Cobra set out to create exhausts that everyday riders could install themselves without needing a full race team's garage. Their products focus on boosting low-end torque and giving riders that satisfying rumble. The company's story is about making customization approachable while still delivering great quality and performance. 9. Zard exhausts. Another Italian masterpiece, Zard exhausts. Compared to the big names like Termignoni, Zard is more of a boutique brand, but that's what makes them special. Founded by Guido Zardini, the company focuses on high-end, handcrafted systems that are as much art as they are engineering. Zard exhausts are instantly recognizable for their daring shapes and attention to design. They've become especially popular among Triumph and Moto Guzzi riders who want something unique. Zard's story is about individuality and craftsmanship, the exhaust as an expression of personality. 10. Leo Vince Italy. Brand origins go back to 1954 in Turin under Saito, but officially launched as Leo Vince in the late 1980s, sport line from 1999. Known for replacement silencers for 2- and 4-stroke bikes, now embracing titanium and carbon fiber with 70 years of manufacturing and R&D legacy. The way they look and sound is loved by thousands of riders across the globe. And before we conclude, I would also like to share a quick overview of the regulatory environment around the globe, as it shapes what riders can and cannot install. United States and Canada. In the US, exhaust laws vary by state. Some states allow louder aftermarket pipes, while others enforce strict decibel limits, often around 80 to 96 dB. The Environmental Protection Agency also requires exhausts to be stamped as compliant. Canada takes a stricter stance in major cities, for example places like Toronto and Vancouver. Mexico and Latin America. Mexico has national noise laws, but enforcement is inconsistent. In some Latin American countries, such as Brazil or Argentina, police may target loud custom pipes, especially in urban areas. That said, riders often enjoy more freedom compared to Europe or North America. Europe. The European Union has some of the strictest exhaust regulations in the world. All aftermarket systems must carry an E mark or EC approval stamp, proving they meet noise and emission standards. Anything without certification can result in fines, failed inspections, or even a ban on using the motorcycle on public roads. China and India. Both countries face increasing pressure to cut down on noise and emissions. In China, aftermarket exhausts are largely banned in many major cities. In India, loud pipes are technically illegal, but enforcement varies widely. Major cities like Delhi and Mumbai are now cracking down harder on modified exhausts. Philippines and Indonesia. In Southeast Asia, custom exhausts are very popular, especially among young riders. However, local governments are tightening the rules. In the Philippines, excessive noise can lead to ticketing, while in Indonesia, police frequently run checkpoints, targeting riders with non-standard or unapproved pipes. Australia. Australia enforces tough noise limits, usually around 94 dB for motorcycles. Aftermarket exhausts must be approved and stamped, and police in states like New South Wales and Victoria regularly issue fines for illegal systems. Japan. Japan is extremely strict. Exhausts must be government approved with clear markings. Loud custom systems are heavily policed, and repeat offenders can face not just fines, but also vehicle impoundment. Conclusion. And there you have it. The top 10 custom motorcycle exhaust manufacturers and their stories. From the drag strips of America to the race circuits of Europe and Japan, these companies didn't just build exhausts, they built legacies. Each one carries a unique philosophy. Some focused on racing, others on sound, others on design. But all share the same passion, helping riders express themselves through their machines. So the next time you hear that unforgettable roar on the road, remember, behind every exhaust note, there's a story. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And remember to share your thoughts. Hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with latest exciting releases.